Most of the time, you can use built-in features of Microsoft Edge instead of installing add-ons or extensions. For example, you may be tempted to get add-on or extension of full-page screenshot capture, but in fact, you get exactly same function through built-in web capture tool in Edge browser. Similarly, you may not need extensions for dark mode, weather, pop-up ad blocking, checking grammar and plagiarism, auto-scrolling of web pages in browser, or text-to-speech functionality in Edge browser. I personally do not like extensions. Most Edge extensions are provided by third parties and they collect data including your browsing history. So extensions may become privacy or security hazard even if you are using browser in InPrivate mode. Microsoft clearly says that Microsoft Edge cannot prevent extensions from saving your browsing history while browsing InPrivate. In another document, Microsoft says that Microsoft shares the aggregated data with the developers of the extension. According to Web Consortium, an extension falls outside of browser confinement and may steal users' files. Therefore, it is quite wise to use inbuilt features provided by Microsoft Edge instead of mindlessly adding extensions in the browser. After all, Microsoft is a trusted entity and we should have no issue sharing our data with Microsoft by using their product, the Edge browser. However, sharing your data with extensions may not seem wise. Please keep in mind that privacy policy of extension is not governed by the privacy policy of the Edge browser. So what is your opinion about the browser extensions? Please share your opinion in the comments. Watch next videos for more browser tips.